Hello, I'm Matthew, and I'd like to take a moment and show you how you can make a YouTube video using ScreenFlow. All right, ScreenFlow you can find at telestream.net. Go to their website. That's the company that created it. You find the download free trial button, download that to your computer. You can play with it, try everything out. It's a really great tool for making these types of videos. In fact, you could probably spend a lot of time under their resources. If you click here, you see tutorials and webinars. There's a ton of stuff here, how to use it, how to get the most out of it. Just a lot of great webinars showing you all the tricks of the trade. But this video real quick, just how to get up and running and how to quickly make a YouTube video just like the one you're seeing here. All right, once you've installed ScreenFlow and it's on your computer, you can open it up. Typically, when you open it up, you get this display window that shows you which camera you're choosing and which desktop display. You can just do your desktop display or a video. You want to choose which audio you're recording from, and you can even choose to record your computer audio. So if you're showing a demo that you want to hear what's on the computer, like if you're demoing Audible or something like, or Audello or something like that, you could do that. So this is the display window, and then all you do is you hit record, and it starts recording. I have it set to 2 seconds versus 5 seconds, but it just starts recording, and now it's actually recording my desktop, and it's recording this camera, and then I'll show you how we put it all together inside of ScreenFlow. Okay, now as soon as you finish recording with ScreenFlow, typically a session window will open up, and here's the basics. And now there's a lot of cool things you can do, like this video that you're watching. I have myself overlaid in the corner. I have a green screen which I key out, and which you can see inside of the window here. And so those are all advanced techniques. I'm not going to go over all of those because one, Telestream has a lot of tutorials, and one, just for the duration of this video, I want to at least get you in here recording something and understanding the basics of a video where you're on top of your desktop, so that for the purpose of making quick tutorials using ScreenFlow. But once you do this simple version, it's really cool where you can end up learning all the techniques. So I'll show you some of the real basics, just so you could get up and you could have a video that has your desktop and you overlaid on it. But I'm not going to show you all the green screen tricks and all that stuff with this video. So once you open it up, there's a couple things that you can notice. Down below here, this timeline, you have the video track that I recorded with my camera. It's here. And it highlighted here by when I clicked down here, it all turned yellow and it all turned white up here. Down below in the timeline, when I click on it, that's the actual desktop. Now right now it's taking up the full display window in this little window, but you can see it's actually just a video source. So if I shrink both of these, you can see, and I'll just use this as a demo just to show real clearly how ScreenFlow ends up recording two different video sources as separate files. So down here in the corner, I have my video, and if I play it, you can hear it captured the audio inside of that. All right, welcome to my test demo on YouTube, all about ScreenFlow and Telestream. So I recorded that using ScreenFlow. It opened up this session, and then you have, again, there's the desktop, and there's my overlay. Now I'll just show you like one technique. If I click down here and I highlight the desktop, and I guess I'll show you real quick on the side panel here, this is like our little media file, and kind of this is the default that I have on my setting, where I've got the file there and I've got the file there. So there's a lot of different ways you can edit the audio and the video and all of that, but right now just a real basic 2-input video. We'll do that for now. So if I wanted to have my desktop fill the screen like it was kind of by default, I'll just drag that. I could even like hide my desktop a little bit and just show the website if I wanted by stretching that. And then I could highlight me. Sometimes it grabs me, other times I need to go down to the timeline. And then I can just either, if I want myself real small there, I can drag myself anywhere in the screen. I can go small or real big and all of that, and just kind of move it around. And then I can, at the very minimum, just record both of them and then arrange them in such a way. Maybe again, you have some purpose where you'd want to have your desktop shown on one side and you could be, you know, larger, whatever. And so this is just a real quick showing how you have automatically just in ScreenFlow record, and it gives you the 2 layers that you can kind of play around with. And again, there's all sorts of cool things that you can do, but getting this concept down is really helpful. Let's just say what we recorded straight away was great. Then you just go to File on your computer and you can publish it straight to Vimeo, YouTube, all those, or you can export it as a file, save it on your desktop, and then export it, upload it to YouTube that way. So again, a real powerful tool. This is just getting you started, understanding the basics so you could get up and running and start making some tutorial videos or whatever you wanted to do. And then of course, there's a lot more features which I recommend, you know, watching some of those other videos. Who knows, maybe I'll make some more. But for right now, I just wanted to get you started with making a YouTube video with ScreenFlow. Thanks, guys.